Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on circumference. We saw in an earlier video how to calculate the total distance around the boundary of a polygon. This was called the perimeter. We can also find the perimeter of a circle. This is called the circumference. Let's see what the radius is. This is the distance from the center of the circle to the curved edge. So it's the distance from here to here. So R stands for the radius. The diameter. This is the distance from one edge of the circle to the opposite edge, but this distance must pass through the center. So it's a distance from here, from there, to there. And notice that blue line passes through the center. So that's called the diameter. D for diameter. We can see that the diameter is twice as long as the radius. So D equals 2 times R. If we know the length of the radius, or the diameter, we can calculate the circumference of the circle. Because of its curved shape, it is not possible to find the exact circumference of a circle. We can find a close approximation by using a very special number called pi. And that is pi. That's the symbol for pi. So there it is there, pi. This is a letter of the Greek alphabet, and it has a very special value which is not exact. So the fraction is 22/7, and the decimal is 3.142. Both of the above are approximate values and will allow us to find approximate calculations for the circumference of any circle, if we know either the radius or the diameter. Now this is the formula for the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is either pi d or 2 pi r. So they're both exactly the same. Because remember, the diameter was 2 times r. So you can use either of those to find the circumference of a circle. Let's have a look at a few examples. Example 1. Find the circumference of a circle which has a radius of 21 centimeters. Use pi equals 22/7. So C equals 2 pi r. We'll use this one here because we are given the radius, which is 2 by 22/7 by 21. We've been told to use pi equals 22/7, which is 2/1 times 22/7 times 21/1. If we multiply the numerators together, we get 924. Multiply the denominators together, we get 7. 7 divided into 924 is 132. So the circumference is 132 centimeters. Example 2. Find the circumference of a circular flower bed with a diameter of 3 meters. Use pi equals 3.142. So the circumference can be found by using the formula pi d, because we're given the diameter, so we'll use pi d. We've been told that pi is 3.142, so it's 3.142 times 3, and it's 9.426 meters, and that's the circumference. Example 3. Find the circumference of a car tyre with a radius of 30 centimeters. Use pi equals 3.142. So the circumference, as we saw earlier, can be calculated by using 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.142. That's what we were told to use, times r, which is 30 centimeters. 2 times 30 is 60, so it's 60 times 3.142. And the answer is 188.52 centimeters. So that is the circumference of the tyre.